Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on eBay, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and after that tap on this button at the top in the left side. Tap on your profile picture and go to the right side of the screen. You can see this edit profile button. Tap on it and here you can edit your profile by writing an introduction or a bio. As you can see, you have up to 1000 characters that you can type in, so start typing it in, and when you are done, tap on the save button at the top and then it will be set. But first you need to add your contact info, including your country, then your city, your address, your province should be selected, as well as your postal code and your phone number, and then tap on continue and then your profile will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.